Do you want to set up or configure power saving mode on your Samsung phone but don't know how? Well, no more worry. Here are the complete guidelines to configure power saving mode on your phone. So let's get started. Open up the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on battery. After that, tap on power saving. From here, you can turn on and off the power saving option. If you scroll down a bit, you will see more options right there. If you want to configure these settings, first, make sure to turn off the power savings option from the top. After that, you can configure these settings. If you want to save your battery health, then turn on all these settings. After that, tap on the three dots from the top right corner. Then tap on the adaptive power saving. Here you can turn on and off the adaptive power saving mode, which is to turn power saving on and off automatically based on your usage patterns. So guys, this is the way to set up or configure power saving mode on your Samsung phone. Hope you find this video useful. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in.